Today we talk about how can you hit current experience on your LinkedIn Learning app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on my Learning down here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, just click on your name here. When you click on your name, it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then you go down here, just keep going down and you click here on account settings. When you click here on account settings, it's going to take you to this list. You just switch into open video. So then you click here on visibility here. When you click on visibility here, it's going to take you to next step. Then all you have to do, just click on edit your public profile. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then you go down, you come here to current experience here. Then you click in this sun or this color, like you see color, it's going, that's mean current experience disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.